What's up, guys? How you doing? So I just dropped off my turbo manifold and my new wastegate to Justin at Morfab. He needs to weld a new flange to the tubing because it's meant for like a 4-bolt wastegate when now I'm going V-band. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. I'll show you guys that later on once he finishes it up. But heading to the shop, and it's Brian's lunch break, and it's his first time seeing the Miata completely slammed on the ground, and I really want to see his reaction. Someone sent you a gift. I already opened it. I'm sorry.
What?
It's a really
says it's the Jimmy Oaks.
Well, it's for you.
Where's it from?
Oh, it was really cool.
It's from somewhere different.
There we go.
Okay. All right. 4B. Hope you like it. Give me a follow at Abel Pineapple. Yo, he's got pineapple in the name. Yo, let me see this pin. It's an E9.
Look how cool that is.
It's an E9 Batmobile. Look at this. It's an E9 with it's got the fender splitters and the crazy spoiler. I'm sure some of you guys know I did an orange Bavaria and we used E9 parts on that Bavaria, so I love the E9 stuff. That's sweet.
Heck yeah.
Vintage. Yes.
So you haven't seen the Miata yet.
The Miata.
Dude, it's like...
Oh, I was just watching the video because I'm a subscriber and you should be too. Yeah, I can't wait. I wish you guys put the front wheels on. All right. Oh my God, look at the front. It's lower than Tucker. It's beautiful though.
It does look pretty badass though, doesn't it? Okay, let's open this up because I'm so curious. Let's just start off with Tucker mail.
Tucker, open it up. Come on, help it out. Oh wow, this is a full... Oh! I know what this is. What is it? What is it?
Wow! We got a...
Oh my gosh!
It's really nice.
This is sick ass detailing shit.
Like,
Leather love?
this is, look at the packaging.
Oh, look at this.
I'm hyped.
Boss sauce.
Trim serum. I could use this for all the raw plastic parts on all the European cars. Luster lube.
Look, I like how
yeah.
they use like slant rhyme names. Gloss
Lithium.
sauce.
Lithium is
Seal
the
and
name of
squeal.
the brand? Is that who sent
Yeah,
it to
Lithium
us?
sent it to me. They actually hit me up on Instagram and they're just like, yo, we want to hook you up. I know your cars are dirty as hell. Clean up. They didn't say that, but that's what I thought. But they reached out to us, and they're a new company with some pretty cool detailing products, and we're going to try them out.
Dude, Tucker, don't eat that
It's
stuff.
not food, Tucker.
Come on. It's not black pop. Oh, Tucker.
Hey.
Give me that. What are you doing? Don't eat that stuff.
Guys, thank you so much for sending this out to us. I'm really excited to try these. The weather's getting nice out, so it's perfect timing. In a couple days, we'll do some pretty cool reviews on this stuff. So stay tuned.
Hell yeah, I'm excited. For sure.
Thank you guys again. It's really nice. All right, so I just ran out to do a few more errands, and surprisingly, another package showed up. And it's something that I completely forgot about, but I'm really excited. And it's a part for the BMW. All right, here it is. Boom. Right here. Got myself some smoked clear tails. And I've wanted these forever. Like, literally forever. I think they look so sick. Usually, smoked taillights are a very, very edgy part. 95% of the time, smoked taillights look pretty ricey and kind of cheap, but for some reason, they look so good on the E36. I was thinking about it and I realized spring is upon us, and just like that, it has turned into the 50s all week, and it seems like the snow is behind us. Fingers crossed. So I just called my insurance company and threw the coverage back on my E36 so we can drive it on the road and enjoy it, because no more salt, no more shitty weather. I mean, it's still a little cold, but the car has heat, so it is time to enjoy the E36. So let's pull it out and let's get these new taillights in, because I'm really excited to see what they look like.
Come on, listen to Jip's pop punk emo. No, I can't even say it because I'm singing the music.
Look at E36. It's so pretty. It's so multicolored. It's kind of a piece of shit, but I love it. What do you think, Chip?
Hot.
Hot?
Hot.
It's definitely edgy part, but I think it's gonna look really good.
Very Euro.
Very Euro. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Very Euro part.
Very hella.
It'll be cool.
Oh. Nice.
Those are still nice.
I know these things are like brand new still, but here, I'll show you. I took off the wrong side. The freshies?
Frosted. Oh no, turn it.
Oh, these are broken. Look at it. Oh, that's so annoying.
Yeah.
But here you go. Hey, these things look awesome lit up. RJ, what do you think?
Actually,
you know what?
I voted Rice on Instagram.
I don't want. No, get at it. Go home. Get at it.
No, I'm not. Fine. Come on, Tuck. We're leaving.
We are.
He doesn't want you.
He doesn't.
What do you think?
Looks good.
Right?
What was it before?
There in the trunk. There we go. Oh, that's so sick. It kind of works with the. It kind of works with the red and the black even better than
Is that
before.
a flake? What is that?
It's just really diffused, I guess. These look sick. This looks so good.
They're gonna look nice when the car's all on.
Yes, guys, the color is getting changed. We are painting it soon. We just gotta finish. Paint takes a lot of money and a lot of time, so we're trying to finish up the SRT before we get into this thing. But still deciding if we want to do red, black, or yellow. Yellow. Oh, I love these taillights so much. Let me know what you guys think. Super hella
Flake.
flake. Is that the term?
I think it's flaky. Look it right here. Do you see that?
She thinks like, see how it has a glisten to it? Yeah, VVS diamonds right there.
Out with the old.
Train her up. Did you notice anything different about the E36?
Yeah, the taillights.
How cool does that look?
Yeah, no, it's cool.
That's dope, right?
Yeah.
You should ask CJ.
Hell yeah.
It's a supercharger.
Hey, Maria.
You want to know a fun fact, Jimmy?
What's up?
I've never been in this car manual.
Really?
Driving.
That's funny. This car still needs a lot of love. This is like the bastard child of the garage. Like when I
The
have.
pretty one though.
I like this car. No, just this car.
This is Cinderella. Right
This
here.
car has always been the car of like when something pops up for it, cool. When if not, like no worries. That's kind of why I like it, you know. So this has a 373 diff in it, and it's welded. I think getting a like the I don't know what the LSD is. I think it's like a 323 or 3 or I don't know. It's something way lower, but I think that will really help improve the drivability of the car.
I want to put my feet up and just be like.
Don't you dare put your feet on that dash.
I know. I can.
Get your damn feet off my dash, woman.
Are you gonna talk to me like that?
Weirdest thing about this car is, on right-hand drive cars, the blinkers are on the right and the wipers on the left. So opposite of a left-hand drive car. But for some reason on this Beamer, it's not switched around. So
Really?
yeah. So the blinkers are on the left, the wipers on the right.
That's
So
amazing.
If you're not used to driving right-hand drive, it's awesome. But if you're used to driving right-hand drive, it just double fucks your mind. Like.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, the supercharger's working. This thing's pretty quick. I didn't want to give it away, but I want to. Screw it. Like, I made a pretty cool purchase for this car, and it's gonna make it a lot faster. And we'll talk about it in a few, probably a week or two. But teaser. Start guessing now.
Where's the gas tank? Is it on the left or the right?
It's on your side, I think.
It's on the wrong side.
Other side.
Rocky.
I'm so mad.
Amateur right here.
Yeah, I'm a rookie bitch. Someone I know someone already commented as I said it's on the left side. I'm like, no. Well, I'm sorry, you guys could have saved me this time.
Vroom, vroom.
What a pain in the ass. Oh my god.
I have your wallet.
Treat yourself. While the garage is a little empty, we're taking full advantage of it. Full skate session. Right, let's see something good. Don't let me down.
I don't have anything good.
Woo! All right, Josh, this is redemption time. No, try again. Clutch kick harder next time. Oh, here we go. Same clip. Yeah, boy. I'll cut the clip right there. Come on, Jizz, let's see something nice.
Bro,
Come on.
All right.
Ready?
Shove it.
Can you land that?
Huh?
Oh shit.
Shove it to rock. To fake you down.
Just do something.
Yeah, fuck it.
All right, okay.
All right, ready?
Still skate then.
All right. Cool.
No, we're good. Hit the exhaust.
Thank you. He's so lucky. He's so lucky.
Look at it, bro. Look how hard it hit that.
So sketchy.
Come on, Doug.
Dudley's doing a lollipop.
Front brake. All hold. Come on. You got it. Open the door. Limiter, baby! Let her eat, done!
Yeah.
You good, Dingle?
It's not bad.
Not a damn mark! Not a
damn
Not a damn mark.
You good? Oh, my knee hurts. Good job, Dudley. Good job. I don't go. Fuck my knee.
And that's what you call a lollipop.
You're good. I'm so glad. You're good. I don't know how that did nothing, but it was straight.
I did that whole thing set up for Dudley. Good job, Dudley.
I'm just glad.
I just wanted to see it.
Yeah, it's all good.
That's a Dingle lollipop.
Yeah, baby.
Put some taillights on my E36 and got on the road. Not a huge deal today, but it's a step in the right direction. So I'm excited to get my whole manifold and wastegate back from Justin tomorrow. It's gonna be sick to have that back on the car. I got news that my electronics for the S13 are finally shipped, which means the final bits of the car, which is the ECU, the harness, and my shifter, should be in within the next week and a half. Fingers crossed, which means that's the last stuff I need to put the car together, which was huge. I mean, as you guys know, the car's at this, it's been a little bit of a drag, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna enjoy myself E36 on the way home. Love the taillights, so I hope you guys like it too, and I guess we'll figure out where to go from here. But today was a nice, easy day, and we'll get into something cool tomorrow. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Harder than broke, I cold started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why, hey, I know why, hey, yeah. I'm cold hearted and broke, I cold started and